This is a quick little video on commercial carpet cleaning in the Buffalo, New York metro area and all of Erie County. And today one of the things we see as a commercial carpet cleaning contractor or service provider is we get to see all of these different types of carpeting in office buildings. And people often ask us, well, what is the best type of carpeting? What should we buy when we want to install new carpeting? So I just want to go over a couple of things about Olefin, and this is the pros and cons. And the best way to think about this is there's pros and cons to each of these different carpeting fibers, and Olefin's one of the most popular fibers for commercial carpeting. A big part of that is the price. It is a little bit less expensive than nylon, or it can be a lot less expensive in some cases, and that is the biggest reason why it's so popular. But what this carpet fiber is, how this carpet fiber is made, is it's solution dyed, and what that means practically is it has excellent stain resistant. So when you have coffee spills, when you have food stains, it's very resistant to this kind of stuff. Now, this doesn't mean that it's 100% stain proof. Nothing is. But the way this carpeting is made, it's very resistant to spills. So the downside, the con, if you will, of this pro-con is that Olefin likes oil, and oil really attracts to it. And this is why sometimes when you have this type of carpeting, that by entrances, hallways, and lobbies, that you'll see like a dark pattern develop, or the carpet starts to yellow. Well, that's because this type of carpeting likes oil. So this is one of the downsides, and the solution to that is to clean the areas very frequently to keep that oil from attaching and becoming